Hello, everybody. In this time, we are talking about a bank statement. A bank statement summarizes all the account's monthly transactions and is typically sent by the bank to the account holder every month in paper or digital form. Bank statements contain checking and savings account information such as account numbers and a detailed list of deposits and withdrawals. And then, how does a bank statement work? The bank account statement is a detailed ledger that records your banking transactions. The statement is presented in a sequential timeline and distinguishes between debits for funds deducted and credits for funds deposited. Each transaction showcases specific details such as the date, amount, and counterparties information. This ensures that you have a precise account of your financial movements at your fingertips, allowing personal financial oversight and planning. And then, how to read a bank statement. Reading a bank statement is relatively straightforward. The statement begins with the account number and type, as well as the period covered by the statement. It then shows the opening and closing balance and lists all of the transactions that have taken place during the period in chronological order. Each transaction includes the date, a description of the transactions, and the amount. Any fees or charges applied during the period are also listed. And then, how to use the bank statement. The bank statement enables you to monitor your expenses by providing you with a view of the financial flows into and from your account. It also acts as evidence in the event of a dispute by providing proof of customer payment or non-payment. This is why it's important to check that the amounts debited from your account reflect the activities earned out every month. The bank account statement is useful when you wish to dispute a transaction reported in the bank account statement has not actually been carried out, such as a fraudulent payment or error. You can contact your bank and refer to your bank account statement. Lastly, the bank may ask you for a copy of your bank account statements when you apply for a loan. The statements allow the bank to ascertain your credit worthiness as a customer. And then, how to get a bank statement. If you get preferred copies and of especially copies of paper of your bank statement, your statement will be mailed to you. If you want to access your bank statement online, you need to tell your bank that you want to switch to a paperless bank statement. Then your documents will be available online through your secure banking portal. Your bank may message or email you when your statement is ready, usually on a monthly basis at the end of your statement period. Every banking portal is organized differently. And then we move to the types of bank statement. There are several types of bank statements, each serving different purposes. The first, paper statements. Traditional printed statements mailed to account holders monthly, detailing all transactions for the period. And then second, year-end statements. Comprehensive statements summarizing all transactions for the entire year, often used for tax purposes. And then third, electronic statements or e-statements. Digital versions of bank statements accessed online or through email, offering the same details as paper statements but in a new, convenient, and environmentally friendly format. And then fourth, interim statements. Statements generated for a specific period upon request, useful for periods shorter than a month or for specific dates. And fifth, mini statements, shorter versions of bank statements available at ATM, typically showing the last 5 to 10 transactions. I think it is enough of this session. Thanks for watching, and don't forget give this channel with your like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you.